I'm now going to talk to you about Provent therapy, which uses EPAP, expiratory positive airway pressure. EPAP works by creating a resistance on the exhale breath through the night. So when you breathe in, you won't notice the difference, but when you breathe out, there's a back pressure on the airway opening it up. Typically, we won't use it as a frontline therapy, but if somebody is intolerant of CPAP or intolerant of a mandibular advancement splint, then we will explore it. What we really like about Provent is its use while travelling. The beauty of Provent is you can fit a week's use in a pocket, and it's just very easy to travel rather than packing up your CPAP machine and carrying it around with you if you are on the move on a regular basis. If you are interested in trialling Provent, please give us a call or click on the shopping cart below.